Hey guys, so today I thought I would do a cleaning video. I've seen these on YouTube, thought I would make my own because my place is a disaster. It's actually really bad. I've been pretty busy with like school and midterms. Not that that's an excuse. Yeah, I thought I would do a huge cleanup today. Plus my mom is coming to visit tomorrow and I don't want her to kill me and get yelled at for living like this. Also, sorry I look like this, but you know, I'm just cleaning. It's fine. You won't see me that much. But yeah, I'll show you what my place looks like. It's really embarrassing. I don't really want to show you, but it's the whole point of the video. This is so embarrassing, but like, gotta clean these splatters. I have so many dishes. This is empty, by the way. I'm not gross and leave the milk out. But yeah, I need to take out the garbage. I just have stuff everywhere. My desk is a mess. Yeah, my bed, oh my gosh, my bed. I just have so much like clothes on it that like I've worn and they're not dirty enough to be in the hamper, but they're like, you know, I just feel weird putting back clothes that I've worn back into the closet. So I kind of just pile it here, which isn't good either because it looks really bad. And yeah, I don't know where to put stuff like that. Like, it's not dirty enough to be in the hamper, but I don't know. This is what it's looking like right now. And then like this just needs to be reorganized and definitely gotta like sweep because there's hair everywhere. This is getting really messy. I live in a basement studio, so there's really not much room. So this is really bad because once you let it go, it just looks terrible. And then I just want to clean up this bathroom. Yikes. So yeah, I've got my work cut out for me. Let's get started. I think the best thing to start with is laundry because that can kind of go while I'm doing other stuff. So yeah, let's start with laundry. Okay, so I've got a load of laundry in now, and I think next order of business is the dishes. My least favorite chore, but it's gotta be done. Here's my giant tower of dishes that I just did. Took a good 20 minutes, but it's done. So now I'm going to, I guess, wipe these counters. And then I think my desk is next. I just took the laundry out and now I'm gonna hang to dry just because it's my gym clothes. I don't really like to throw them in the dryer. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna hang it here. So it'll be a good time to clean this as well. Let's go. have all my gym clothes now to dry, and I cleaned up this rack a little bit. Next, I think I'm going to tackle this situation. I think I'm gonna, I guess, refold these clothes and put them back in my closet, remake my bed. Believe it or not, I do make my bed every day. I think people say that it's good to make your bed every day because it's kind of like a mind game. So I try to do my best, but yeah, I'm gonna fix this situation now. Is made, and it looks so much better now because there's no clothes here. Whew, I feel a lot better. Next, I think I'm going to go through this. Yep, this is my nightstand, and it's pretty exposed, so you can see everything. So once it gets messy, there's no hiding it. Cleaner nightstand in 3, 2, I don't know how well that worked, but I assume that it didn't work. Now my room's looking a lot better, and now I'm going to sweep, because yikes. And now we have hit the final stage, the most daunting stage. The bathroom. This wasn't all here earlier. I was just moving things from the other room, but still, it is a mess. So yeah, let's get started. This will be gone in 3, 2. Okay, I still don't know if that worked, but it's fine. It's a lot cleaner now. I've done it. I have cleaned my entire place. All there's left to do is fold the laundry that's still in the dryer right now. But other than that, it's pretty clean. So, this is the bathroom now. Nice and clean, kind of. It's a lot of clutter, but again, I don't have a whole lot of space. And then when you exit here, the kitchen, a lot cleaner now. All the dishes are done. My desk, you can see the surface. Yes. And then my bed, no pile of clothes here anymore. I feel so accomplished. That didn't take that long either, so. I think while I'm waiting for my laundry to finish, I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. It is already 2 o'clock though, but I don't know, after cleaning this entire place, I'm feeling really fresh and productive, so I might go out and do some work. Okay, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it inspired you to clean your own room or do whatever it is that you've been putting off yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys another day. See ya! Wow, I'm so awkward.